Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you this little water beetle we got. It's the Scarab 165. This bad boy has a 300 horsepower Rotax engine in it. So it's definitely a mean machine on the water. First thing I want to point out to you guys is the storage areas. We have storage under this seat, a little bit right there, a little bit of storage under that seat, and also a ski locker right here, right in the center. That's where you're going to find most of your storage in this boat. I want to point out that this boat does have an upgraded sound system to it. It also has a light package, which lights the speakers, and there's little rope lights throughout the boat. It has a kicker head unit, a display right here, and all your switches to control your functions like your blower, your horn, and all that good stuff. So one thing I do want to point out, this bad boy, I already said it, but it's got a 300 horsepower Rotax engine in it. This thing flies. Rotax has really stepped up their game in the past few years. I came from the service department, so I've seen where they've come and come through. Also, there's a little bit of storage right here in this canvas area, so you can put life jackets and whatnot in there. Also, once I close this engine compartment, we have two more seats back here, so you can definitely sit back here comfortably. I wouldn't ride back there because you can definitely throw someone off, but it's a convenient place to sit and take in all the views. Also, we do have the wakeboard tower installed on this with the bimini and the wakeboard board racks. You guys, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston. Come by and see us sometime soon.